Hello, my ultimate self. This be my short videos I'm doing tonight. Why it's short? Because nothing to do. Nothing else to do. Mean in couple in 3 weeks. I doing unboxing reviewed. You one. Part 2. Unboxing review part 2. I don't know what it is. It's not tonight. It's one to put in my collection. I can't tell you when we get it yet. I will show you a few of it and do what I can. And we'll do it part 2 of it. Maybe this be a whole part. That's all I said. And the other thing is, I can't know why me new subscriber. I'm doing well. We got to about 368, no, 369 subscribers. Now I'm back down to 362 subscribers. I don't know what happened. Please help me to get back up to 369 subscribers. I don't know why I do another one. It gets so many views. Oh, I almost to 2,000 views. I say it got almost to 2,000 views on my channel. I so say it. Can't know why me new subscriber. I got 369, now down 362. Wow. And I had that before. I can't know why me new subscriber. Maybe it's just, don't worry, we'll get more subscribers back again. Take some time. Very slow sometimes. Trust me, get more subscribers again. I promise. Take some time. Well, that getting that same time we get in 3 weeks. I don't know what it is. It can't tell you what it is. It's supplies. It's not a knife. It's not an EDC. Not a thing to carry anywhere. It's a collector piece. A collector piece. I will show you what I get in a couple of weeks. Well, hopefully like this video will save me again in the future. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video to your friends. No matter they like your friends. Thanks for watching. And we'll show you the same content. I promise. Stay watching.